Need full access to your office computer from anywhere in the world? GoToMyPC makes that possible, securely and seamlessly.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Best Reviews. Today we're diving into GoToMyPC, a remote access platform built for individuals, teams, and enterprises who need quick, secure access to their computers wherever they are. Whether you're looking to print files from home, support clients remotely, or simply manage your systems on the go, GoToMyPC offers an all-in-one remote control solution with both basic and advanced tools. In this video, we'll walk through how GoToMyPC works, its key features, pricing, the support you can expect, and who it's best suited for. For the most up-to-date info, be sure to check out our full written review at bestreviews.net. GoToMyPC gives you instant remote access to your desktop, whether you're on a PC, Mac, or mobile device. You'll need to install the desktop app on each host machine you want to control remotely. Then you can connect using either the client app or GoToMyPC's streamlined web interface, which we found especially user-friendly thanks to its installer-free setup. While the desktop app's interface does feel a bit outdated, it still performs flawlessly. And once you're in, you can transfer files, access software, and manage systems just as if you were sitting in front of the machine. One thing worth noting, while you can access your desktop from a mobile device, you can remotely control iOS or Android devices themselves. Let's talk about what makes GoToMyPC stand out. First up, file transfer. It's fast, seamless, and more reliable than using cloud storage or Bluetooth. Remote printing is also a huge convenience. You can send documents to your office printer while working from home or print locally from a host machine. Multi-monitor support is another highlight. With a visual minimap of all active screens, switching between them is easy, though Mac users won't get this minimap on client machines. On the security front, GoToMyPC brings its A-game. You get AES 256 encryption, multi-factor authentication, screen blanking, and even the ability to lock keyboard and mouse input during sessions. There's also a built-in antivirus, security timeout with password prompt, session logs, and a security skull tool to keep everything in check. For enterprise users, there are more advanced options like SSO, Wake on LAN, and a built-in chat tool for customer support sessions. Admin features also stand out, especially for larger teams. You can manage users with different roles, monitor login times, and view user reports, all while staying compliant with HIPAA, GDPR, PCI, and SOC 2. Finally, the mobile apps for Android and iOS are intuitive and allow for quick access to files and software, even if the design could use a refresh. The platform also integrates with Microsoft Entra and Radius for added security, and there's an API available for corporate accounts. GoToMyPC offers 3 subscription plans, all available with monthly or annual billing. While it sits at a premium price point, its business-focused features help justify the cost. You can start with a no-credit card 7-day free trial, which is especially helpful since GoToMyPC doesn't offer refunds. Longer commitments come with a 20% discount, and payments can be made via credit card, PayPal, or wire transfer. We recommend visiting our full review to check for the latest pricing updates and any ongoing promotions. GoToMyPC's support is solid. You've got access to 24/7 live chat, plus phone support during business hours. If agents aren't online, you can request a callback via contact form. The Help Center is robust with video tutorials, PDFs, and a knowledge base that covers setup, troubleshooting, and advanced topics. There's just one caveat. Some help links lead you to LogMeIn support site, which can be a bit confusing. Still, between the resources and live support, most users should be well covered. GoToMyPC is a strong, multi-platform remote access tool that covers everything from secure file transfers and remote printing to advanced user management and enterprise-grade security. Yes, the desktop interface feels a bit dated, and it lacks support for mobile-to-mobile control. But if you're focused on remote desktop access, it nails the essentials, and then some. We recommend GoToMyPC to small and medium businesses that need reliable, high-security access to remote computers, especially those managing multiple users or supporting clients remotely. Don't forget to check our full review at bestreviews.net for the latest updates and exclusive deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!